Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Apple gift cards on iTunes Store. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is you have to open your Apple Music. So just simply open Apple Music. Now once you're in your Apple Music, the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to your iTunes Store right over here. Now once you're in iTunes Store, you have to look for your account section where you will have the option of redeem. So in your iOS devices, so you will find this option in your account section at the very top right hand side corner. So just simply click on account and you will be again redirected to the redeem page. So once you find your account section, click on the redeem option which will be available right over there in that page. And once you will do that option, this page will pop up where it will say redeem code. Now over here all you have to do is simply enter your Apple gift card code and then just simply click on redeem to redeem all the funds that is available inside the gift card into your App Store wallet. Once the funds will be transferred, you can do in-app transactions like buy some music or any in-app or any in-game transactions as well. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.